The 823XS was created for welding on all kinds of heavy-duty construction machinery, including dozers, packers, scrapers, and graders. It's a moisture-resistant electrode that can be used in any position and features a hot start tip with exceptional striking capabilities. It produces a strong weld and offers the weld joint crucial ductility in high-stress locations. It is an easy-to-use, low-hydrogen electrode that works well in humid or even in rainy situations. The 823XS restrikes with ease, is ideal for crack-sensitive steels exposed to significant vibration, and the flux typically rolls off for simple cleanup. Heavy-duty mechanics can easily utilize it as a maintenance rod. Farmers and contract welders love using it for corking cats and welding on reclaimed oilfield steels. For more specs and sizes, visit eaglealloys.ca.
This is our 823. It's got a really good flux on it. It's moisture resistant. It's 88,000 tensile, 34% elongation. Good for high carbon steel to mild steel to mild steel.
This also will leave a lot less moisture in the metal. Carbide precipitation is a real problem with 7018. It'll draw moisture out of the weld zone. This won't allow that to happen. Just like an 8018, this will give you the effects of an 8018 without the nickel and the carcinogenic fuels.
Now I'm going to stop, and I'm not going to chip up the flux, and just watch how this relays. Just 2 hits. With the 823, you can burn it right to the stub.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean? And then if you look, this is the result you get. The flux is pure. And you can see no porosity on the starts, no porosity on the restart. And that's the 823.